Right now, we are in some trying times, especially for jumbo money mortgage rates. Starting to see a lot of instability in that arena. You know, they've shot up as high as 5, they come back down to 3.5, and they fluctuate all over. It's a very volatile market. So that is going to be a little bit tricky to navigate, possibly. And we could talk more about that if you're interested. But the supply, here's what's really interesting, and it's not too hard to figure out. A lot of sellers don't want to put their homes on the market right now. So normally when we would see supply going up like this, we're not seeing that. We're seeing a flat line on supply, which is crazy because it's been flatline now for quite a while, you know, probably almost a month. So that is impacting the market as well. So you have supply that has gone down, you have demand that has gone down. So the dynamic between supply and demand, it still remains the same. Where do we see this thing in the future? We see this coming out probably somewhere late May to June with a balanced market, which means the buyers and the sellers, there won't be an advantage to either. You know, that's not a bad market to be in. It's called a normal market, and we haven't seen that for a while. And then we're just gonna have to see where it goes from there, but that's what industry experts are predicting. Days on the market last week, it was taking 56 days to sell a home. It's already shot up to about 72 on average for the homes that have gone into escrow. So it shows that it's taking longer and longer for houses to sell. New demand right now is down about 23%. That is in the last couple of weeks. And normally we're up about 14% month over month at this time. So to be down 23% instead of up 14%, that's a big difference, right? But either way, they're projecting that this market, when we come out of it, will have a balanced market. We do think that prices will suffer a little bit. You know, buyers, watch the market, watch the interest rates. Prices are not going to get whacked that much, we do not believe, just because of the balance of supply and demand. So right now, sales are off probably close to 50%, I would say is a fair number. We've got stats to back that up. We'll probably have more stats on next week's official Tustin Talks, but that's kind of what we're seeing right now. That may accelerate up, may fall back down. I mean, we don't know. We'll just have to see next week. So anyway, that's it for today. I just wanted to give you a short blurb about what was going on in the market and in the real estate industry. And just for you guys to know that we are still doing business out there and helping those people that absolutely want to or need to do something right away. So don't hesitate to give us a call and we will help you through the process. Thanks. Bye-bye.
The Odell Group's been around for nearly 40 years. We are ranked number 9 in transactions closed, and we can give you the right advice to help you make good decisions. So please click on our subscribe button here and start watching the videos and let us know if there's anything we do to help you.